Well, isn't this just a quinky dink?
CQDX 309, Central Iowa, standing by.
Come on in here, 309, 605 pointed right at you.
What's up, guys? Corey the Random Guy here. Today I'm going to show you some skipping. I've made contact with 151 South Carolina finally, and 127 South Carolina. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell, or wherever it's at. Hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. Enjoy me talking on the radio, and hopefully this will get a lot of you who do watch my channel into this hobby, because let me tell you something, it is amazing what you can do with a stock radio. Well, this one's not really stock, but it's amazing on what you can do. Anyway, guys, enjoy. Go ahead, 151 South Carolina. I got the camera rolling now. Yeah, you're doing the same up here. I'm talking to you on a Bearcat 980 SSB on an A99 and no amp.
Copy that. That Barefoot 980 is doing pretty good. Pretty good. That time I got every word you said. I got 309. It's awesome to hear you in there.
Yeah, it's good to finally make contact with you. Yeah, you're coming in. It's fading in and out, but I'm still able to reach you. I hear you there. Well, hey, when conditions get better, I'll try to reach you again. For now, I'm going to say 73s to you. I'll put this video up on YouTube here in a little bit. Alright, you have yourself a great weekend as well. You guys go check out Mower Junkies channel too. It's Mower Junkies on YouTube. Go check him out. He's got an awesome channel. He's taught me a lot about CBs. And John, I'm going to go ahead and say 73s to you for a little while, and hopefully we'll get in contact again soon. I just made contact with you, John. Guys, this is amazing. It's amazing what you can do with just 12 watts and an antenna. No amp. You guys can see this? I have no amp. Skip is going in and out.
69 Mobile, West Virginia,
The Skip is going absolutely crazy right now. But you guys heard it. I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Portable, get down. State Mobile. Hey, that 418 over here at the back, I want to know where you're at, big buddy.
It's hard to tell anymore. I say you got a rolling base station. Good audio in the mobile. Are you just not getting out of here or no?
Oh, I've been out here for a while. I guess get in there, dude. Turn down over there, 135.
CQ, CQDX 309, Central Iowa, standing by with a wave. 18 Ohio, you got 309 Central Iowa waving. Well, you're making a hell of a trip here to Iowa.
Here across the base, where Cherryvale used to be Exxon so many years ago. I think it was nearly $4.
Copy that. You have a safe trip all the way back.
I don't think they were. It's just, that's how expensive it is. Yeah. Like I have, you know, it's on ethanol gas is, because I've been by the additive. That's 33. I couldn't get down there. 333. North Carolina calling. 3 hours.
CQ, CQDX 309, Central Iowa, standing by with a wave. 333 North Carolina, I got you in there. How's it going over there in North Carolina?
Yeah.
333 North Carolina, I must have lost you in there.
About 455, 418 Ohio.
Yeah, so when I intentionally do on my scooter, I run the gas nearly out of it, and then I'll put fresh gas in it.
418 Ohio.
418 portable, you're making a hell of a trip to Iowa still.
I appreciate that there, we're just trying to get this whole thing
Roger that. I hear you. I'm going to say 73s to you for now. Have a safe trip, buddy. CQDX 309, Central Iowa, standing by with a wave. I heard you in there, Ohio is 400 something.
Copy on that there, buddy.
so much traffic.
Wackos out there on the highway. Talk to you later, 625 South Carolina.
CQDX 309 trying to wave a hand to that 625 South Carolina. Come on back.
Hello, 309 625 South Carolina.
How's it going over there in South Carolina today? 625, you got trampled on by a bunch of other people.
I hear you back up to the Cowboys Street. Where you got a copy of the Cowboys Street?
625, I'm going to say 73s to you if you can hear me. I will talk to you later. 309 Central Iowa, standing by with a wave. 127 South Carolina, I got you in there. How's it going?
Yeah, everything's doing good. I'm fixing my heart. And I heard you go back to it, and I thought, well, I'll wave at you before you're making a wonderful trip.
Well, I heard you in there. You came over here just fine.
2 years. You know, it's been in and out all day long, so I kind of gave up.
Yeah, it's been that way over here for the past few months, just in and out, barely anything.
Well, anyway, you have a good day there. I got somebody tuning up over here on the other side. Knock you out of there. Anyway, 73's to you. 127 over here in South Carolina. 425.
Copy that, 127 South Carolina. Say 73s to you as well, and have a great weekend.
309, you copy.
I heard somebody calling for 309.
309, 625 South Carolina.
625 South Carolina. How's it going over there?
Oh, not too bad. Tried to get back to you there, but got interrupted.
Oh, that's quite okay. There's a lot of traffic on here today. You want to come back with that? You got trampled on.
Yeah, what's your QTH? Go ahead.
QTH? Well, I don't even know what QTH is. Sorry. Oh, I am just south of Des Moines, Iowa. South of Des Moines, Iowa, about 15 minutes or so. Copy that, 625, you were cutting out. I'm going to go ahead and say 73s and have a great weekend.